Hello children, let us solve the exercise of lesson number 14. How big, how heavy. This exercise is from practice Navneet practice book of your Math Magic. Fine. Today is we are going to solve question number 6. It is given on page number 88. Here it is the given. Answer the following questions from the weight of coins given below. Here children, some of the weight is given. For example, coin of rupees 1 weight is 4 gram. Coin of rupees 2 weight is 6 gram. Coin of rupees 5 weight is 9 gram. And coin of rupees 10 is weight 10 gram. So here, based on these weights, some of the questions are given. Let us solve one by one, and some of the questions I will give you in the exercise. Means you have to do in homework. It is very easy to do. You will understand it very well, and you can solve it. Fine. The first one is given. The weight of which coins is more? 500 coins of rupees 2 or 300 coins of rupees 5. So here children, first of all we have to find out the weight of 500 coins of rupees 2, and similarly have to find out the weight of 300 coins of rupees 5. So first of all we need to know the weight of one coin for rupees 2. It is given here, it is 6 grams. Okay, so for 6 gram, one coin is for 6 grams. So for 500 coins, what will be there? Let us solve it. And same way, rupees 5 weight is 9 gram. And for 5 rupees coin, 300 coins are given, and that we have to find out. Let us solve the sum. So first of all, we have to find out weight of rupees 2 coin, that is 6 gram we have to mention. Then weight of rupees 500 coins of rupees 2, that means 500 multiplied by 6. So our answer will be 3000 grams. Similarly, for rupees 5 have to consider weight of 5 rupees coin is 9 gram. So weight for 300 coins of rupees 5, that means 300 multiplied by 9. So our answer will be 2700 grams total. Now here it is given which weight of which coins is more. So which one is more children? Here it is 3000 and here it is 2700. So obviously 3000 is greater than 2700. So 3000 is weight for 2 rupee coin. Fine. So here we can write the answer. Weight of rupee 2 coin is more. Is it clear children? Fine. So now the second one is the similar sum. I quickly read out the question. The weight of which coins is less? 900 coins of rupees 1 or 400 coins of rupees 10. So same way you have to find out weight for 900 coin of 1 rupee and 400 coin of 10 rupee. Both you have to find out, and which one is less, that we have to mention. Here in this sum we considered more weight, and the next one you have to consider less weight. Is it clear? Now the next sum is sum number 3. So sum number 3 is given. How much less is the weight of 800 coins of rupees 2 than the weight of 500 coins of rupees 10. So जैसे हमने आगे किया है, almost same method we have to follow. Let us solve this. So here first we have to mention that weight of 2 rupee coin is equal to 6 grams. Weight of 800 coins of rupees 2 is equal to 800 multiplied by 6. So answer will be 4800 grams. वो किसका weight है? 2 rupee coin का. Fine. Same way the next one is weight of 1 10 rupee coin is equal to 10 grams. So we have to find out 500 coins of rupees 10, that is 500 multiplied by 10. So the answer is 5000 gram. Now what we have to find out? How much less is the weight of rupees 2 coin. rupees 2 coin का weight कितना कम है, that we have to find out. So here it is, rupees 10 के लिए हमें weight कितना मिला? 5000. rupees 2 के लिए weight कितना मिला? 4800 ग्राम. So 5000 gram, that is rupees 10 coin weight minus 4800 ग्राम rupees 2 coins weight. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, then we'll get answer 200 ग्राम less weight of rupees 2 coins. So the final answer is 200 gram less weight of rupees 2 coins. Fine children. The next one, 4 and 5 both are your homework. One more, 2 is also there. So 2, 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.